Hello, welcome to Food Immerse, a channel where we not only teach you how to cook delicious dishes, but immerse ourselves in the history, culture, science, and beauty of food. I'm Lorraine, and I'm so excited for you to join me on this journey, exploring different cuisines, ingredients, and cooking techniques. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a single delicious episode. Orzo pasta salad. Lighter than a pasta salad made with larger varieties of pasta, this is a great basic recipe that is versatile, travels well, and allows the vegetables to stand out. The method is simple. While orzo is cooking, make vinaigrette and pour over drained still hot pasta. While pasta chills in the fridge, prep vegetables, then combine everything and refrigerate for up to 3 days. This is a completely versatile recipe. The vinaigrette can be lemon, balsamic, red wine, or white wine vinegars. The vegetables can include roasted corn kernels, halved grape or cherry tomatoes, crisp-cooked broccoli, diced roasted beets, or fennel. Add some protein if you like, such as diced salami, prosciutto, grilled chicken, or feta cheese. This is a perfect recipe for using up leftover but still fresh bits of food in your fridge. So choose your ingredients and let's get cooking. To make orzo pasta salad, you will need 3/4 cup orzo pasta, uncooked, 1 quart water, salt, 3 tablespoons good quality extra virgin olive oil, 3 tablespoons lemon juice or vinegar of your choice, 1 teaspoon grated lemon zest if you're using lemon juice, freshly ground black pepper, a small red onion, 3 green onions, a small red bell pepper, a small yellow bell pepper, a 1/2 cup pitted olives, 1 14-ounce can non-marinated artichoke hearts, those are usually packed in water, 2 tablespoons capers, and enough Italian parsley for 1 tablespoon chopped. Remember that you can use any combination of vegetables that you like, or add a diced protein as mentioned in the dish introduction. The only special equipment you will need is a microplane grater if you are going with the lemon juice and lemon zest option. Pour water into a medium saucepan and add some salt. Bring to a simmer and add the orzo. Stir and cook until tender, about 5 minutes. While the orzo is cooking, make the vinaigrette. Zest about a teaspoon of lemon rind. Add it to the olive oil which has been placed in a jar with a lid. Now juice the lemon into a small bowl and measure out the 2 tablespoons. Add it to the jar. Grind in some black pepper to taste. Add about a 1/4 teaspoon salt and shake well. When orzo is tender, drain well. Place still warm orzo into a large bowl. Stir in the vinaigrette. Doing this while the orzo is still warm allows it to absorb the flavors of the vinaigrette. Place in the refrigerator while you prep the vegetables. Cut the red onion into small dice. Make horizontal and then vertical cuts about a 1/4 inch apart. Then turn and cut into dice. Place in a strainer, rinse under cold water, and allow to drain. Cut both the white and green parts of the green onions into 1/4 inch dice. Place into a medium bowl. Remove seeds and membrane from yellow bell pepper and cut into 1/4 inch wide strips. Turn and cut across into 1/4 inch dice and add to the bowl. Do the same with the half red bell pepper. Cut the olives in half lengthwise and add to the bowl. Rinse and drain the capers, shake off the excess water, and add to the bowl. Drain but do not rinse the artichoke hearts. Set them aside to drain thoroughly. Chop parsley leaves to produce about 1 tablespoon. Now cut the artichoke hearts in half lengthwise and add to the bowl. You can cut any large ones in quarters. Remove orzo from fridge, taste for salt, pepper, and lemon juice, and adjust if needed. Add the prepared vegetables to the orzo and stir to combine. Store covered in the fridge for up to 3 days and serve at room temperature. Thank you so much for joining Food Immerse and exploring different cuisines, ingredients, and cooking techniques. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss a single delicious episode. If you make this dish, I would love to hear about it in the comments or shoot me an email. Until next time, cheers to good food.